Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.1 question number 2. In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students, right? Here we will solve in this way. We will solve by unitary method, right? Let us find. Here it is given that 3 computers for every 6 students. Since 6 students 6 students need 6 students need 3 computers 3 computers, right? Therefore one student need one student need 3 by 6 computer 3 by 6 computers. We'll use the unitary method to find the solution of this question, right? Therefore how many students? 24 students. Therefore 24 students 24 students need 3 by 6 into 24 computers into 24 computers. That is 4 6 are 24. That is 3 4 are 12 computers. 12 computers. Right? Therefore we can say that therefore we can say therefore we can say therefore we can say that therefore we can say that 12 computers will be needed. 12 computers will be needed will be needed for 24 students. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.